Good morning, dear children. I wish you a pleasant day. Last 2 days we were discussing about the poem The Good Natured Girls, and the first day we explained the first two stanzas. Second day, yesterday we discussed about next three and four stanzas, and today we are going to explain about the last stanza of this poem. Each stanza contains four lines. See, let's go to the last stanza of the poem. Whatever occurs in their work or their play, they are willing to yield and give up their own way. Then, now let us try their example to mind and always like them be obliging and kind. Whatever occurs in their work and their play, they are willing to yield and give up their own way. Then, now let's write their example to mind and always like them to be obliging and kind. Here, yield means, what does it mean by yield? The word yield. Can anybody know the meaning of the word yield? Here comes surrender or give in. What does it mean? Or surrender or give in. And the last line, there is another word. Obliging means what? To accommodate. To accommodate. Let's get some understanding more about this last four lines of this poem. Whatever occurs in their work or their play, okay, whatever occurs in their work or their play, what they are willing to yield and give up their own way. That means they are willing to give up their own way. They are willing to yield and give up in their own way. All child should try to behave like these two sisters. All child should behave or must behave like these little great sisters are like Mary and Anne. They are willing to yield. That means they were willing to surrender, willing to give in. They were willing to give in and give up their own way. They used to help, they used to give up. Then now let's try their example to mind. That means take this example. Take them as a role model. Take these little sisters as your role model in your life. Now let's try their example to mind. Keep in mind and always like them, be obliging and kind. So what does it mean? All child should try to behave like those sisters like them. You should behave like them. To be obliging and to be kind, you must be very kind. We must be very kind to another. We must be ready to help each other. We must ready to help another. Though it is your brother, sister, cousin, whatever it is, even if it is your friend. Must be kind enough. That means to be kind. You must be to be kind. That is in the last uh, stanza of the poem. Now let's read and understand it by yourself. You can please read it and understand. So here we are going to summarize the chapter into the whole into some small sentences. So it will be clear for you, more clear than the explanation. Here, actually, the poet name is J. Taylor, the poet. What is in the first? Let's understand what is in the whole five stanzas. Mary and Anne, two little children, were sisters and were well behaved. Isn't it? Well behaved. Both lived happily as good girls always do. That we have seen in the first day itself. They never dispute with others. Relationship between them was nice. So they were so much friendly, and because of their relationship was and so nice. Their parents were also happy with them. They were seldom found to share food with each other. When their parents had a job to be done, The children immediately run to them for helping them. They used to help their parents. They used to help their parents. They never make any dispute for any reason and were always good to their parents. Whatever occurs in their work or their play, they were willing to yield and give up their own way. All child should behave like those sisters. All children must behave like those children, those sisters, like them, to be obedient and to be kind. That's what the poet has told in the beginning itself. What everyone should try, should say that the poet tried to say that all child should try to behave like those sisters. Everybody must behave like those two little sisters. Who are those two little sisters? Mary and Anne. You must behave like your Mary and Anne. Accept their characters. Accept their behavior. Take all the behavior. Take all the good qualities. I mean, these are the qualities. Take the all qualities what they had in their life. Just keep it, take it and practice in our life. I mean, your life. Dear children, try to behave just like Mary and Anne in your whole life, and always be kind to each other. Try to help each other. Try to help your parents. Don't try to make any kind of dispute each other. Try to share what you have. That means always be kind enough. Always be kind. Try to behave. Try to follow the same characters, the same behavior, the same qualities, what they practice in life. The same qualities, please try to follow in your life too. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Thank you.